Hey there guys, Chet here. This is a comparison that I get asked about all the time because on the surface, they both seem like powerful tools for running a business. But one is built for home service pros, the other is for big construction projects. In this video, we're going to put them head to head in a full comparison so that you can see which one is actually right for you. And by the way, if you'd like to sign up for Jobber, make sure to use my link down in the description to get access to a special limited time discount where you can save up to 30%. And as you can see on your screen, anyone who signs up for the annual plan will get 15% off of their first year, and those who choose a monthly plan will receive 30% off the first 3 months. I hope you're not too late to grab this offer, but if you are, don't worry. I'm also giving away my custom Notion templates to help you stay organized from day one. These templates are valued at more than $900, but again, you're not going to pay anything for them when you sign up using my link as a thank you for supporting the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. First, let's talk about the core focus of each platform. Buildertrend is a massive and powerful platform built specifically for the construction industry. It is designed for home builders, remodelers, and large-scale contractors. Its main features are all about managing big, long-term projects. This includes tools for bidding on jobs, detailed project scheduling for many weeks or months, and managing financial things like purchase orders and change orders. Jobber, on the other hand, is designed for the world of home service businesses. Think of companies that do lawn care, plumbing, electrical work, HVAC, or cleaning. Jobber is focused on efficiently managing a high volume of smaller jobs. It excels at things like creating fast quotes for your customers, optimizing the daily routines for your team, managing recurring visits like a weekly lawn mow, and getting paid quickly. It's built for the fast pace of service work, not long construction projects. This brings us to the user experience. Because Buildertrend is so powerful and packed with features for construction project management, it is a very complex piece of software. It takes a lot of time and dedicated training to get your entire team comfortable using it. For a typical service business, many of its features would be unnecessary and would just make the software harder to use every day. This is where Jobber has a huge advantage for most service pros. Jobber is famous for being incredibly easy to learn and use. The design is clean, modern, and simple for both you in the office and your technicians using the app on their phones. Now, this ease of use is critical. It means that your team starts using it correctly from day one, which helps you get organized faster, reduce mistakes, and spend less time on training and more time on the work that makes you money. Finally, let's look at the customer experience features. Buildertrend has tools for communicating with your clients during a big project, which is very important. But Jobber puts a huge emphasis on making your business look professional to your customers for every single job. Jobber has amazing features that can automatically send appointment reminders via text. It lets customers approve quotes and pay invoices online with one click on their phone. And it can automatically ask for a review after the job is done to help you build your online reputation. These features are designed to impress your customers and make their lives easier, which leads to more repeat business and better reviews. So which one should you choose? Well, Buildertrend is the right choice if you're a home builder or a large-scale remodeler who is managing complex, long-term construction projects. It is a specialized tool for that specific industry. But for almost every other home service business, from lawn care to plumbing to electrical and beyond, Jobber is the clear winner. It is easier to use, it is designed for the speed of service work, and it has the best tools to help you provide a professional experience to your customers. And if you're ready to jump in and try Jobber, don't forget to use that link that I mentioned earlier. It's down in the description, and you'll get that special discount, and you'll also get my Notion templates completely free. Just my way of saying thanks for watching and supporting the channel. All right, that's it for this comparison. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.